Cars and bids, we are Tanin JDM, and this is our Consignment FJ Cruiser you're bidding on. So we're gonna do a cold start and do a quick walk around the vehicle and show you all about it. Cold start, exhaust manifold's cold, valve cover's cold. We are gonna address the rust here because I'm sure it's gonna come up in the comments. This was an East Coast truck and Wisconsin, so you're gonna have surface rusting in the engine bay and underneath. Not much we can do about that, but overall the truck is in awesome condition, drives great, lower mileage. And then right here you can see as well, on top of the strut towers, basically, some surface rusting. You know, this isn't rusted through, it's not rusted from the bottom, but this is just what happens in East Coast, Midwest cars with winters and salt, nasty climates like that. So we'll start this up, shoot back to the exhaust so you can hear that. Then grab the engine bay once you're done with the exhaust. Just fuck up and get the engine bay. And inside the truck, smells nice in here. There's no odors, no smoke, nothing funky. The only issue we have inside here is this volume knob is kind of glitchy sometimes. If you spin it fast, the volume might jump, but it seems to be cooperating right now. And everything sounds good. You've even got all these buttons down here. You can turn the subwoofer on and off. It does have rear diff lock and A-track, which is a cool feature, and then the power outlets, auxiliary, everything else. So we'll do a little walk around, just point out some of the exterior defects so you know. You can see in the pictures as well on the listing there are some rock chips on the hood here. I noticed the windshield was replaced, so this is aftermarket. And then we'll just take a look at each of the panels here. There's a little ding right there. Other than that, there's one little ding here above the driver's handle. And the roof, like it's mentioned, is wrapped black. These are normally bottom half black, top half white. So they made it match. Everything looks good there. There's nothing peeling, no major cracks or chips or rips or anything. Tailgate looks good. There is a factory spare in here, I believe. So you get this one plus the matching aftermarket wheel and tire. So this is a factory original wheel and tire. The date code on this tire is 2010, so obviously it is original to the truck. Passenger rear door, there is a minor scuff here. I think we could buff this out. It's just very minor. And passenger front door, nothing there. And then fender, same thing. There's a couple rock chips on the fender. Same with the hood, and surprisingly there's not any rock chips on the driver's fender other than this little mark here. So hopefully that showed you some things you didn't see in the pictures, and good luck, happy bidding.